is the reason why your eyebrow needs to be shaped, guys. And don't worry about making mistakes. You can always try it. With practice, you get it. Hi guys, it's your girl Ruth. You are welcome back. I'm back with another exciting video, guys. So if it's your first time here, welcome to the channel. Kindly subscribe to join the family, like this video, drop a comment and share. So guys, today we are going to be having an in-depth eyebrow tutorial. Yes, an in-depth eyebrow tutorial. Let's get right into it, guys. So we are going to be needing our eye pencil, of course, your eye pencil or your deep brow pomade, either. But I think as a beginner, eye pencil would do. Like as a beginner, you need an eye pencil. That's what you need first to know how to draw your eyebrow. As a beginner, your eyebrow needs to be properly groomed, like well shaped and well groomed, because a groomed eyebrow is like the canvas. That's why you're going to draw your eyebrow. So as you can see, my eyebrow is groomed already, and I have a video on how you can shape your eyebrow with razor blades. So if you haven't seen that video, kindly watch the video. I'm going to drop a link to the video, so kindly watch it. You need your spoolie to put the eyebrow in place. Now this is totally optional. Your hair wax is totally optional, but you can use the hair wax just to put the hairs in place. To put the hairs in place, I'll scoop some of this. I scoop some of that and put it on here. Just to put the hairs in place, guys. Even though I can totally skip this because my eyebrow is already well groomed, I already shaped the eyebrow. So just to put it in place, as you can see, there's a significant difference. So you put it in place as though, yeah. And then setting powder. So you need the setting powder just to set your eyebrow. Now the main purpose of setting your eyebrow is to prevent the eyebrow from getting oily later in the day. Prevent it, especially if you have an oily skin like me. You need to set your eyebrow. So just a little will do. Set your eyebrow as though. As you can see, I'm passing it to the back of my hand, so it just won't be too much. You set your eyebrow. So after doing that, I take my eye pencil. And you want your eye pencil to be well sharpened. Like you want it to be well sharpened. These little details are going to make a significant difference to your brows. Trust me, significant difference. You want your eyebrows to be well sharp. So now there's a rule for drawing eyebrows. It's not necessarily a rule, but I think as a beginner you should know this thing. Like it will help you. It will help you. So firstly, you want to know where your eyebrow should start, where you should draw your arc, and where your eyebrow should end. So in order for you to know this is the rule, guys. You put your eye pencil, guys. Put your eye pencil by the side of your nose. Draw a line or a dot. You can just put a small dot there, as you can see. Then put it like this by the side of the nose. Put a small dot there. That's where your arc will be. And then here. That's where the brow should stop, guys. I hope you can see it. And so let's start. You start by drawing a thin line. Stop there. And then you go on your arc. Get your arc. Stop there. Can you see that? And so that's for the bottom line. And so for the upper line, I don't like starting all the way here, so you won't have a ash eyebrow. You start from the middle. Start from the middle, draw another thin line. This is the reason why your eyebrow needs to be shaped, guys. And don't worry about making mistakes. You can always try it. With practice, you get it. Can you see that, guys? Don't worry about any mistakes. That's why you have the concealer. You can always conceal. So you join this to this, and then you go in with light strokes. So fill the brows, go in with light strokes. So after doing that, you want to brush the brows. You want to brush it because you don't want it looking ash. You don't want it looking ash, so you want to brush it out with your spoolie. So you go with your spoolie. And if you notice, I didn't start from the beginning, but because we don't want ash brow, we want the natural looking brows. So you brush it up. Go back again and fill it. Now you can just draw light brows, upward direction, guys. For the outer corner of your brows, you want it to be in upward direction, as so. And if you notice that the upper line is fading due to you brushing it, you can just add a little bit there, and the down part as well. Brush it up again. So that's all for this brow. I'm going to quickly do the same step for the other brow. To conceal our brows, I'm going to go in with the Eyebrow Pro Conceal. Eyebrow Pro Conceal. This is in the shades Warm Honey. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, Warm Honey, guys. I just put a little bit at the back of my palm. Don't mind the powder. Just put it at the back of my palm, away from the powder. To conceal, you can use either your angled brush. This is what an angled brush looks like. You can see the angle, or you can use a concealer brush as this, as though I use a concealer brush. This is what a concealer brush looks like. So I'm going to be using the concealer brush for this video. I just prefer this concealer brush, sincerely. So an angle brush, though you can use an angle brush as well. So you go into the concealer. Then carefully, you want to be careful guys, if not you are going to like spoil this whole thing.